What if I told you that the heaviest chains you carry are invisible? That the walls holding you back from the life you want were built by you? Think about the last time you said it. I can't afford it. Feel that familiar drop in your stomach, that wave of frustration, of helplessness. It feels like a fact, doesn't it? Like a law of the universe. But it's not. It's a story. And today, we're going to talk about how that one simple story might be the most expensive lie you ever tell yourself. Stay with me, because what you're about to hear could unlock a future you thought was impossible. David looked like he was doing okay. He had a decent job, paid his bills on time, and from the outside, his life seemed normal. But inside, he felt like he was drowning. Every time he wanted something, a better car, a small trip, even fixing things at home, the same words came out: I can't afford it. That phrase became part of his life. It was the reason he postponed his dreams, avoided plans with friends, and lived with a constant, quiet anxiety. He wasn't really living, he was just surviving. One Tuesday night, after paying all his bills, David checked his account. He had only $73 left for the next 2 weeks. Something inside him changed. Not anger, not panic, just a quiet decision. He was tired of feeling powerless. That night, he chose to find the truth. For the next 30 days, he tracked every single dollar he spent. Morning coffee, lunch outside, online impulse buys, subscriptions he barely used. At the end of the month, he added everything up, and the result shocked him. He wasn't broke because of rent. He wasn't struggling because of big expenses. The real problem was hundreds of dollars disappearing into small, unnoticed habits. In that moment, he realized something powerful. The wall that said, I can't afford it, wasn't real. It was built from tiny leaks he never saw. And once he found them, the wall began to disappear. David's story isn't really about money, is it? It's about awareness. It's about the difference between a perceived reality and the actual truth. He lived in what I call the money mirage. The mirage was the belief that he was broke, that he was a victim of circumstances, that big external forces were keeping him down. But the truth was so much simpler and so much more powerful. The truth was that his own daily unconscious choices were creating the very scarcity he was trying to escape. The I can't afford it mindset is a form of blindness. It prevents you from seeing where your power truly lies. It focuses all your energy on the big things you can't change, while ignoring the hundreds of small things you can. David didn't need a raise. He didn't need a winning lottery ticket. He just needed a mirror. He needed to see the truth of his own habits. The money for his dreams wasn't missing. It was just being allocated dollar by dollar to things he didn't even care about. How does this connect to you? Right now, think about that thing you want, that goal that feels out of reach. Is it paying off debt? Starting a business? Taking a class? Traveling? Now listen for that voice in your head, the one that whispers, "That's nice, but you can't afford it." That voice is your mirage. It feels real. It feels logical, but it's keeping you stuck. It makes you a passive observer in your own financial life. Every time you say, I can't afford it, you're giving up your power. You're confirming your own limitations. You're telling yourself a story of scarcity, and your life will dutifully arrange itself to make that story true. The daily coffee isn't the problem. The occasional lunch out isn't the problem. The problem is the mindlessness. It's the lack of intention. It's letting hundreds, maybe thousands of your hard-earned dollars drift away each year without a plan, and then wondering why you feel broke. You're not broke. You're just not paying attention.
This matters because your life is the sum of your choices. And clinging to the "I can't afford it" mindset is a choice to have less, to be less, and to experience less. It guarantees a future of quiet desperation. But the alternative is right in front of you. So here is what you are going to do. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. You are going to follow David's path. Your command is this. For the next 7 days, just 1 week, track everything. Get a notebook, use an app on your phone. I don't care about the method. I care about the action. Write down every single penny that leaves your possession. Don't judge it. Don't feel guilty. Just observe. Become a detective in your own life. Your goal is not to deprive yourself. It is to empower yourself with the truth. You cannot change what you do not acknowledge. This simple act of tracking is the first, most crucial step in taking back control. It's how you shatter the mirage.
In just 7 days, you'll realize something powerful. You have more control than you think. You'll start to see new options, and the story of "I can't afford it" will lose its power. Financial freedom doesn't come from luck or a future promotion. It comes from small, conscious choices you make every day. The coffee you skip, the lunch you pack, the subscriptions you cancel. So stop focusing on what you can't have. Start building the life you want. The power has always been yours. You just have to decide to use it. Thank you for listening. If this message resonated with you, subscribe for more content to help you build a life of intention and power. And more importantly, go grab that notebook. Your new story starts now.
If this message feels like it hit home, that's no accident. It's your inner voice calling for change. And here's the truth. Staying the same won't get you anywhere new, but taking action will. That's exactly why thousands of people just like you have already broken free from living paycheck to paycheck by following a simple, proven blueprint. You don't need special skills, you don't need a second job. What you need is the right system, and it's already helping over 55,000 members build real financial freedom. So, here's your choice. Close this video and go back to business as usual, or click the link below and take your first step towards stability, freedom, and the life you know you're meant to live. The opportunity is here. The question is, are you ready to take it?